Hey YouTube, welcome back. Problem number 243, shortest word distance. So let's make a summary for this problem. You're given a list of words called word disk or word dict, and two distinct word 1 and word 2, and they are guaranteed to be appear in this list. So you need to find the shortest distance, number of indices apart, between any two occurrences of word 1 and word 2. So it's a pretty simple problem. We need to find the shortest one. So for this an example, coding and practice here, coding here. So the output should be 3 because there are 3 indices between them. Okay, how should we solve this problem? I think we can solve this problem in 3 steps. Let me delete everything here and start. So step 1, we could initialize a tracking variables. Like we will use 2 variables to track the most recent index of word 1 and word 2 as we loop through the array. We could also think about in step 2, we could be iterate through the array. So in this one, for each word, if it matches word 1, we update index 1. If it matches word 2, we update index 2. And every time both index 1 and index 2 are valid, we compute the absolute distance between them and keep track of minimum seen so far. And we return the minimum distance. So it's basically we do this in 2 steps. Okay, so how we'll do this one? First, let's start in the code. We create let index 1, which will equals -1, and let index 2, which equals -1 as well. And I'll create another variable called min distance. And we will support to return this value. Okay, done is hitting. So let me just do it like, yeah, okay, it's better now. So okay, what should we? Okay, so in the distance, I guess we can make it infinity. And I guess we should return this index, return minimum distance. And I'm returning it now because I have a bad habit of not returning the values. And I wonder why the fuck this function is not working. So I will create a for loop here. Let I equals 0 and I should be less than word disk or word dict dot length, and I should be plus plus. Okay, I will create here, I would say if statement first, if the word disk, oh no, word disk of I. Okay, let's do it like that. Let word, which will equals word disk of I. So if word equals word 1, if that was a case, index 1 will equals I. Else if, I guess, if word equals word 2, index 2 will equals I. So basically we're trying to find the word 1 and word 2. And when we find them, before we find them, if index 1 doesn't equal -1 and -1, and index 2 doesn't equal -1 as well. So that means we found them. We know the indexes of both of these characters. We will try to calculate the min distance. Min distance will equals math.min, the min distance as well by itself, and math.absolute index 1 minus index 2. And that's it. Let's run and see if it works or not. It did not work. Why? It's not a valid value for unexpected return. What did I do? What did I do? Plus I afford. Yeah, it did work right now. It did work as well. So yeah, it was a fun problem, to be honest. These type of fun problems makes me feel to be like, okay, I'm a good programmer. It makes me feel like this. Like whenever I solve like a recursive problem or even a dynamic programming problem, I feel like I'm a shitty developer. But these type of problems makes me feel like I'm a good one. So yeah, thank you, Leetcode, for improving my self-esteem, and damn you for lowering my self-esteem sometimes as well, because like you're an asshole and you know that. So yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in future videos, guys.